boys and girls, ladies and gents, and members of the Big Red Food Army. It's your boy, Big Red, back for another Big Red Snack Attack. And what do we have for snack today? Well, we're going to break out our old friend, Ritz crackers. And you know when we break out the old Ritzy Ritz, we got some kind of spread or something to put on them. Today we're going to snack on Underwood's premium quality corned beef spread. Let me show you. There's the little Dev Underwood premium quality corned beef spread. So let's crack this open. I wonder why this company does this. They put so much paper around it when they could just easily just put the thing around there, save some paper, save some trees. You don't need all of this paper, really. You don't. Just the one piece going around there, and that's all you really need. Because there's really no information on the top other than logos, and it says, tastes great in dips, tastes great in sandwiches, mix well before serving, tastes great in wraps, and so on and so forth. But really, you don't need all of that shenanigans. I mean, come on. So let's set this off to the side. Let's go ahead and get a sleeve of the crackers. Crack this open. Smells like corned beef.
These are your parents. Yes. Well, haven't you met? Well, yes, but George didn't tell me this was your father and stepmother.
I'm not Alan's stepmother.
Oh, I see. Well, I think adoption is wonderful.
No, you don't understand, Mr. Taylor. Alan's not adopted.
No kidding.
Let's taste this solo.
No kidding.
Will you excuse me for a moment? I'll see if I can help George with the ice. George, about Alan's parents. Yeah, I know. Is that a great couple? Yeah, they're great. But about Alan and Debbie? Yeah, they're a great couple too. Hey, look, we gotta get those two back together. Actually, George, I think that we ought to let well enough alone. I mean, I really don't think that Debbie and Alan are right for each other. You know? No. Neither do I. Oh, good. Wait a minute. Oh, that's why you didn't want Debbie to go out with Alan. You knew about Alan's parents. I didn't think you wanted to go to hang out with Alan. Yeah. I know what it's like. My own son is married to a zebra. A zebra? Yeah, you know, half black, half white. Oh, no kidding. Yeah, but ain't no problem with her because her white don't show through. George, I certainly appreciate what you tried to do for me. Yeah, no problem, buddy. Yeah. You know, it's a good thing I found out before Debbie did. You know how kids are these days. If I told Debbie I didn't want her going out with Alan because he's black, she'd keep going out with him just to spite me, right? What do you mean going out with Alan's black? Well, his mother's black. I know, but the bad part is his father is white. George, you know what I mean. I mean, if Debbie and Alan kept going together, someday they got married, see, they could have a black baby. And what's wrong with a black baby? Well, nothing. If you are black. If your son had a kid and it was black, that's fine. And if it was white, well, if it's white, you're a few points ahead. But if my daughter had a black baby, oh, you're trying to tell me that your daughter can do that second? George, look, I'm as liberal as anybody, but there are limits. Like what,
This is okay.
We Taylors are a very old and prominent past. What did you call me? I called you a honk. A two-faced honk. Too dumb to realize that black is beautiful. I think I'd better leave. Wait a minute, Taylor. You ain't leaving. I'm throwing you. George,
This show's so funny.
Let me handle this, Willis. Look, John. I don't want to see your daughter no more. Not because it's the way you want it, but that's because the way I want it. He's too good to get mixed up in your jive, blue-blooded family. Now get out.
It's fine, Jefferson, but you can forget about getting on our board, or any other board for that matter, except for the ironing board of that lousy laundry of yours.
Oh, this guy's hot under the collar, huh? Maybe I should cool him off.
This is the last of my spreads. I've tried other ones for you guys.
George, I'm so proud of you. Sometimes you can be a very noble person. I knew deep down inside you really liked Alan. Yeah, thanks, Mr. Jefferson, for standing up for me like that.
Look, man, don't get no ideas. All those stand up for part of it.
Well, that's still better than nothing. Give me some skin, brother.
Half a brother.
So I'm watching the Jefferson, so let's see if we go to the next one. Yep, it sure will.
Surely there's more to like.
Let's get another episode in here. I've been binge watching. I'm on season 5 out of, I think, 11 seasons. And fast forward through the bologna. Moving on up to the east side. Yeah, I got my piece of the pie. Let's rewind it. Just missed the line. Why is it not stopping when I don't know what the heck. That's crazy nonsense. Comcast with your shenanigans. Yeah, we did. Got a piece of the pie. And we got a piece of this corned beef spread.
Is it time to check the ham in?
Yeah, it's been about 2 hours.
Good. After you spread the brown sugar on, put some of that pineapple on top.
So I've tried the chicken spread, tried the potted meat, the ham spread, now the corned beef spread.
Put some little cherries on top, too.
Honey, aren't you forgetting who the cook is?
I have to say, I like the chicken the best.
Okay, Miss Jefferson, I don't mind if you help out.
Would you mind getting the door flying?
Oh, no, of course not.
I'll get it.
I'm gonna let you do nothing around here.
George, Dusty! Here coming!
Dusty, outside the Dusty. Hey, guess who's in here? Don't tell me. Dusty.
Dusty Jefferson, I don't believe it! Hey, when you gonna dump this turkey and run off with me, huh? Lawrence, this is George's cousin.
Hi.
Hi. Hey, Weezy Dusty ain't just my cousin. He's my main cousin. Who's tired of the brothers, right, Dusty?
You got it, George.
Hey. Yeah, we were growing up. I used to know everybody who was twins.
Really? Dusty, were you there at the job?
Yeah, but I improved.
Oh.
Come on, Florence, let's go get dinner ready.
Okay, Miss Jefferson, and I'll make sure you do it right.
Boy, we sure had some great times, didn't we, George?
Yeah, man. When you take a lot away from a man, they can't take away his memory, right? Hey, I remember the time you saved my skin.
What was that?
Well, you know, you lent me that $100 about we did engaged, right?
Anybody would have done that, though.
Yeah, but you the only one who did it. You know what I'm saying? With all the money we got today, we still ain't gonna do that over with.
You know, man, it's been quite a while, but you still looking good.
Yeah, you look good, too.
Well, maybe on the outside.
Well, nobody looks good on the inside.
Especially me. Remember that automobile accident I had?
Yeah?
Messed up one of my kidneys.
Oh, yeah. Oh, you still got the rest of them, though.
George, first nobody has 2 kidneys.
Well, 1 out of 2 ain't bad. It's still bad than 500.
Now that kidney's going bad. I have to go to dialysis 3 times a week.
You gotta go to Dallas, Texas 3 times a week.
Dialysis. It's a machine that they hook me up to. Takes the place of my kidney. Cleans my blood.
Ooh, that's a drag.
Yeah, especially when you're on the road a lot. So, I may have to look for a new job.
Well, if you ain't gotta look no further than the job you want, you got it.
Well, tell you, there is something I need from you, George, but it ain't a job.
Hey, look, if it's money,
Oh, George, I don't need money.
well, whatever I gotta do.
Honest?
Just ask.
Well, how about giving me one of your kidneys?
For a minute, I thought you were serious.
I am serious. I need a kidney transplant.
Are you driving? You want me to give you one of my kidneys?
Okay, well,
Oh, George, your kidney's down here.
You really want my kidney?
Believe me, George, I hate asking this.
let me go ahead and rate this.
But my only other choice was to wait till somebody dies and donate the kidney.
Oh, well, cheer up. People dying all the time.
But I have to find one.
I didn't care for this one as much.
Oh, I'm sure I ain't gonna.
Ritz crackers made it taste even better, but solo it's just it don't taste like corned beef you get on like a Reuben sandwich or something. So Underwood for your premium corned beef spread. I'm only gonna give y'all a 3. I mean, it's edible, it's decent. I don't know what else to do with it, but just overall that it don't taste as good as the other ones that I've tried. So,
If you don't want to do it, I'll understand.
and it doesn't taste nowhere remotely close to like corned beef that you get on a Reuben sandwich or a corned beef sandwich or a corned beef hash. So, yeah, I'm just not digging it. Maybe 2.5. I'll give you a solid 3. Anyway,
Here's his phone number.
I just want to say now is the time
And if you want to call me, I'll be staying
for you guys to check out that subscription button, yo, if you have not done so.
He's got diabetes.
Hit that and you'll be subscribed to the Big Red Army, and then at that point you hit that little ding-a-ling-a-ling notification bell next to it. You'll be notified every time I put up new content. Over here, there is the thumbs up, thumbs down, bam, bam, bam. Hit me with one. Just lets me know you're watching. I don't care which one it is, but I like these a lot better. And down below, you have a description box with a description of this video, links to follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, link to my friend's t-shirt website where you can purchase Big Red Show t-shirts and Dark Side of Red t-shirts. There's also a link to this channel's homepage where you can find all the older content separated by series. Make life easier for you. Watching this bearded fat ginger eating on YouTube shouldn't make your life any harder. There's also a physical address where you can send Big Red hate mail, fan mail, products you want me to try, products you want me to review, stuff for me to do unboxing videos. It doesn't matter. Just send me something and I'll unbox it, give you a shout out and all that good stuff. That address is down below in the description box. It'll go to my friend's t-shirt shop and then he'll bring it to me on his way home. There is also, what else is there? There's a link to my PayPal, but you know, that's if you want to. You don't have to. Just watch the videos, watch the ads. But if you want that shameless plug, you want that shout out, you want me to try a certain something, and you want to guarantee that it gets tried, that's what that's there for. Just send me a private message, send me a little something in the PayPal, and then I'll get it taken care of for you. Anyway, there's also the comment section down below where you could type me out one of them comments and I could type you one of them comments right back. You show me yours and I'll show you mine. You know you want to see it. Come on. Let me. Comments, that is. Get your mind out the gutter. Anyway, thanks to each and every one of you guys for hanging out with me. And that's what I just want to tell y'all, you know, from the bottom of the big fat belly to the top of the almost bald dome. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I appreciate it from the bottom of my heart. Y'all hanging out with your boy. I just need you to do me that little favor. Tell your ma, tell your pa, tell your greasy grandma, share the video with your family and friends. Show them how you get down with Big Red. Maybe they'd like to get down with Big Red too. You never know unless you share the video. So, with that being said,
Well, let me ask you something.
I ain't got nothing left to say except for thank you, thank you, thank you. And I'll see you guys next time
Depends on what she looks like.
at the vending machine. Big Red for another episode of Big Red Snack Attack. I'm out. I gotta go find another snack or something. I'm still hungry. I'm out.